Tell me about yourself, Vinay.
My name is Vanessa. I'm from Khammam. I recently completed my graduation in the stream of Electronic Communication Engineering from brilliant group of institutions and technology and science.
Mm-hmm.
I have good communication skills and technical skills in manual testing.
Mm-hmm.
My short-term goal is to become independent, and long-term goal is to get a good position in reputed organization.
Mm-hmm.
I'm open to this opportunity, and I'm ready to learn and grow.
Okay. Tell me about your graduation project.
So I have done two projects during graduation. First is mini project on prompt authentication for biometric applications. We used the MATLAB software and programming language MATLAB
Mm-hmm.
to write program. Um, Already predefined images give as an is data in data is present in database, and we give input as our palm prints to check it is from database or not.
Okay.
And
So database stands for any database, SQL or database, whatever
No,
database
store
storage. Only.
Storage.
You are not going to validate anything, right?
No.
So what is your role in your graduation?
Team lead.
What is the qualification of a team lead?
To remove miscommunication between the team members and train the team members to work as per the requirements in projects.
Lead never write the code then?
Yes, sir, we write, but we take the suggestions from the team members to get different outputs.
Okay. And what is the concept that you are good on manual testing?
Sir,
What is the concept that you are good on it?
manual test. So I have good at text execution, write test cases.
Okay. What is the difference between a system designing and test designing?
So system designing, we develop a team, design the architecture design documents.
What is test designing then?
Test designing, we write test scenarios and test cases. We design test scenarios and test cases.
Isn't it? Then okay. Can you write test cases for this bottle?
What is that? Yes.
Don't write attributes all at all. I just want to know the scenario itself. Just write the scenarios. Keep that. So, as a non-technical person, why are you coming into the IT side? What is the reason behind it?
So, testing is a evergreen field, and I like to be in a team where produce a good product to the customers.
What are the techniques that we are going to see while doing testing?
So there are 4 types of techniques: equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis. Third one is cause effect table or decision table, and fourth one is orthogonal array.
Good. So, what are the test cases you need to consider to do regression?
The test cases which changes the which affects the code, and prioritizes requirement test cases, and test cases which affect other test cases of the same.
Okay. I just want to know why you not written the same thing in your third exam.
Sir, that's time I'm in hurry situation.
Okay. So what is other name of UAT?
OAT,
Stands for?
operational acceptance testing.
But why you written here in a different way? So at what condition developer will reject the defect?
Sir, if the test case is duplicate or invalid, then you give rejected status to the QM.
Can you draw the diagram of what defect life cycle?
Yes, sir.
Right. Don't write all those things, okay? Just write status itself. What is the difference between a deferred and a rejected?
Sir, defect or rejected, sir. If the test case is invalid or duplicate, then it will be rejected by developer. And if the sprint is nearly to over, QA member raise a defect, the sprint is near to completed, then he deferred the test
Why different? What's the reason behind it for differing the
due
different?
to lack
What's the difference between priority and severity?
severity. It is a user point of defect, and severity it is QA members view.
That is the only thing.
No, sir. The priority is to solve very fast. We have to solve very fast.
Why?
Because it is a user point of view issue.
Okay. Who will decide severity?
QA member
Who will decide priority then?
users.
Okay. And coming to your resume, right? So I could not see that. What is your specialization? I think you told that you are from EC, right?
Yes, sir.
You have not mentioned that one as well. And what are your roles and responsibilities that you have done your graduation process? Not there. I just seen that graduation project. That's it. But you need to describe your graduation project clearly, and you need to mention about the team size and as well as the roles and responsibilities that you have done your graduation project, and also that you have done the project in manual testing, right?
Yes, sir.
You need to explain about your role and responsibility in manual testing as well, and try to include more technical skills in manual testing because you have done different categories also. You have done priority and severity also. Yes, sir. You have done it right or not it?
Yes.
And you have done a number of things like writing test cases is fine, SDLC still is fine, Agile methodology is fine, and right, that Scrum methodology as well. Effective knowledge Scrum phase also you have done, right?
Sir.
So prioritizing the user stories, understanding user stories, those are all has to be included in your resume because that is the primary skill set that you need to keep in your resume.
Okay.
Clear? Try to update your resume. I think that is the feedback for me from my side. Tell me, do you have any questions?
Is I am able to get job with my skills.
Yeah, tell me, rate yourself. How you feel about the interview? Whether it good, you have done good or bad or average? What a feedback that you need to give it, that you need to provide from your side itself.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Then that's the same for my side as well. Try to improve your remaining 3 as well, so that you will get more opportunities in the sector as well.